Hello grade 1. Today we're going to learn about two-digit addition and subtraction. Don't worry, you already know how to add and how to subtract. But let's see how we can add and subtract two-digit numbers. What is 6 plus 5? There are many ways we can solve this problem. Let's try the addition strategy, doubles minus 1. First, we'll start by modeling the first addend using cube strain. The first model shows 6 cubes. Now let's double it. The second model shows also 6 cubes. So this model shows 6 doubled. This is the double fact 6 plus 6 equals 12. But we only need 5. Let's cross away one cube train from the second model. So 6 plus 5 is 1 less than 6 plus 6. What is 6 plus 5 then? 6 plus 5 equals 11. What is 12 minus 4? There are many ways to solve this problem. Let's try the subtraction strategy. Use a related fact. First, decide which parts of the subtraction fact become the parts of the addition fact. Which number in the subtraction fact is the sum in the addition fact? 12 is the sum. Which number in the subtraction fact is one of the addends in the addition fact? 4 is an addend. Now, complete the addition fact. 4 plus what number is equal to 12? The related addition fact is 4 plus 8 equals 12. So what is 12 minus 4? 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. How can you use a 100 chart to count on by ones or tens? Alice picks 13 flowers. Then she picks 5 more flowers. How many flowers does Alice pick? You can use a 100 chart to solve this problem. You can see that the numbers go up by 1 as you move to the right across the rows. Start at 13 and count on 5 spaces to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number did you stop on? You stopped on 18. The sum of 13 and 5 is 18. So Alice picks 18 flowers in all. Let's try one more problem. Ella picks 30 strawberries. Then she picks 40 more strawberries. How many strawberries does Ella pick? As you move down the column, each space shows the number that is 10 more. Start at 30 and count 4 tens down the chart from 30. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. What number did you stop on? You stopped on 70. So the sum of 30 and 40 is 70. So Ella picks 70 strawberries. How can models help you add ones or tens to a two-digit number? What's 37 plus 2? Let's use base 10 blocks to show how to add ones. First, model the addend 37. 37 is 3 tens and 7 ones. Next, model the addend 2. Now combine the ones block to model the sum. You do not need to add tens because there are only 2 ones to add to 37. There are a total of 3 tens and 9 ones in the model. What's the sum of 37 plus 2? The sum is 39. Now let's add tens. What's 37 plus 20? Let's use base 10 blocks to show how to add tens. We'll first model the first addend 37. 37 is 3 tens and 7 ones. Next, we'll model 20. 20 is 2 tens. Now combine the tens blocks to model the sum. There are a total of 5 tens and 7 ones in the model. What's the sum of 37 plus 20? The sum of 37 plus 20 is 57. Let's try another strategy. Let's make a 10 to find 45 plus 7. First model the addends. Start with 45. This is 4 tens and 5 ones. Now show 7. 7 is 7 ones. Can you add the ones to make a 10? Think about what you can add to 5 to make a 10. You can add 5. This shows 45 plus 5 plus 2. Now add the 5 ones from 45 with the 5 ones from 7. The model now will show 5 tens and 2 ones. What is the sum of 50 and 2? It's 52. These models show the same amount. That means 45 plus 7 has the same sum as 50 plus 2. So what is 45 plus 7? It's 52. Let's use base 10 blocks to model 67 plus 28. You can model the addends with base 10 blocks. Think, how many tens and ones are in 67? There are 6 tens and 7 ones. How many tens and ones are in 28? There are 2 tens and 8 ones. Now add the tens to the tens and the ones to the ones to find the total number of tens and ones. How many tens are there? 6 tens plus 2 tens is equal to 8 tens. How many ones are there? 7 ones plus 8 ones is equal to 15 ones. Since 8 tens is 80 and 15 ones is 15, the problem becomes 80 plus 15. So what's 80 plus 15? 95. So 80 plus 15 is the same as 80 plus 10 plus 5. By adding the tens and adding the ones, we found the sum of 67 plus 28. 67 plus 28 equals 95. Kelly gets 5 new toy cars. He already has 19 toy cars. How many cars does he have now? First, what information do we need to find to solve the problem? We need to find the number of cars Kelly has now. How many toy cars does Kelly have now? What information do we need to use to solve the problem? Kelly has 19 cars. How many new cars does Kelly get? He gets 5 more cars. We can use a model to show how to solve the problem. Kelly has 19 cars. We can use 1 10 block and 9 ones blocks to model 19. Kelly gets 5 new cars. We can use 5 ones blocks to model 5 cars. How many cars does Kelly have now? To make it easier to add, we can make a 10. First, take a ones block from the 5 ones block showing the 5 new cars that Kelly got. Now we have 1 tens block, 10 ones block, and 4 more ones block. We can make a 10 with the 10 ones block. Now our model shows 2 tens and 4 ones. 20 plus 4 is equal to 24. So Kelly has 24 cars. I hope you enjoyed our lesson and you found it really easy to understand. Bye bye.